Krush grooving, body moving. 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 Krush grooving, body moving.
Krush is up there, 3 bad rockers, gang recognition, and we are the ones that are in position to hang with the best. And if you don't believe, check out the rhyme that we conceive. Let it be known that there is no other that can rock the house like these 3 brothers. Prince Small E.T. with Krush and the human beatbox completes the 3. We testify and will last forever, pumping and jumping to stand together, taking and breaking, laying and slaying. All these second MCs best start playing. Cause we run DMC, Kurt, Sheila, and us. We keep moving and grooving like the number 10 bus. Yo, that's the way it is, cause it's like that.
Sheila E. and I wanna say that I'm a super high power cold crushing lady, and I'm here to talk about this thing called rap to all the party people at the party this night. And you know I'm fresher, could never be lesser. Sheila E. rocks the best under pressure. For all of you hip hop bebop fans, get out of your seat and just clap your hands. Get down, don't clown to the funky sound, 'cause the beat is dropping all over the town. Turn slow, you can never be weak. Get on the mic and let me hear you speak.
Shaw, I'm Curtis Blowin', I'm the king and I'm the best, y'all. And I'll tell you why, cause I'm fresh, y'all. From the north to south, east to west, y'all. Now I'll rock house parties in the B-boyZ dance, and never ever gave a sucker MC a chance. Cause I'm a rhyme creator, crowd motivator. I'm chillin' on you now, but I can serve you later. Check out my crew that could never be beat. Curtis Blow, Sheila E. and Run DMC. And to the fat boys, and now you're down by law. Down with the best, now let's eat in the score. Now just throw your hands in the air, and wave them like you just don't care. And if you wanna bust a move of a Krush groove, somebody say, oh yeah! And you don't stop, that Krush groove rock till it hit the top. Somebody scream!
Body moving.